Hello beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to make this beautiful, flavorful, delicious Tuscan chicken thighs recipe. It's a delicious, quick and easy recipe, so if you're interested to see more of how I make this recipe, keep on watching. Also, if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So to get this recipe started, I've got 5 beautiful pieces of chicken thighs. I'm going to take them out of the packet, show you guys what it looks like, and then we're going to continue with this delicious recipe. So this is what our chicken thighs looks like. We're going to go ahead with our kitchen shears. We're going to cut the excess fat off the chicken thighs just like that. Then I'm going to go off camera and wash these beautiful chicken thighs, show you guys what it looks like, and then we're going to continue with this recipe. So this is what our chicken thighs looks like so far. It's nice and clean. So we're just going to pat the excess water off, and then we're going to season these beautiful chicken thighs. So all you will need to season these beautiful chicken thighs is your fine sea salt, ground black pepper, and garlic powder, which is optional for this recipe. But if you like your chicken thighs to be nice and flavorful like myself, I would suggest to add a teaspoon of garlic powder on both sides. And that looks absolutely beautiful. It's fully seasoned. As you guys can see, we're going to go ahead and get our pot ready. Make sure the pot is nice and hot. So we're going to add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil to the pot. Then we're going to place our chicken pieces in the pot. We're going to cook for about 5 to 6 minutes on both sides. Now that our chicken thighs are nice and cooked, we're going to flip them over to the opposite side. We're going to cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. Then we're going to remove these beautiful chicken thighs from the pot. We're going to set them to the side. We're going to go in and add our sun-dried tomatoes to the pot. Next, we're going to add our minced garlic. If you have fresh garlic, that will do as well for this flavorful chicken thighs recipe. Next, we're going to add some fresh spinach to the pot. We're going to saute for 1 minute. Now we are going to go in with our heavy cream to add lots of flavor to these chicken thighs recipe. Now we are going to add our fresh Parmesan cheese to the pot, and that smells absolutely beautiful, guys. It's nice and creamy. We're going to give that a very nice mix. Now is the perfect time to add our chicken thighs into the pot. We're going to scoop some of the sauce on the chicken thighs. We're going to let it simmer for about 3 minutes, and then I'm going to show you that, guys, the final results of this beautiful chicken thighs recipe. Guys, this recipe is so quick and easy to make. It's nice and creamy. It's so flavorful, and this is the final results. It came out beautiful. It was so tender and flavorful. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you do, please like, subscribe, and share, and I hope to see you beautiful people in my next video. Thank you guys for stopping by. Take care.